So we're just here at the London Stationery Show. We are exhibiting our products, collective members' products, and a lot of our previous Done With You clients, Inner Circle clients. And we came here to meet buyers, get our products into retail stores and into the UK as well. We are having our next trade show in New York too in August. So that's what we've been doing. But what's very interesting, we had a lot of people approach us and asking how they could create their own stationery products, that they also had something that they want to share with the world, maybe a method, maybe they do something with their clients. So I've got Emma here with me, and we together run Done With You sprints. We haven't had one in a year. We are starting one on Monday, and we thought, why not explain to you what it is that we do starting Monday? So I'm going to pass it on to Emma, because she runs the Done With You builds.
Thank you. So what is the sprint? Really, it is a guided process to have your product built. And we are there to help you every step of the way, from concept through to execution, to have a sample created. So that means having a physical product in your hand. One of the questions we get, or I suppose one of the things to kind of clarify, is why you would want support. One of the things we've been speaking about a lot since we've been here is that we are super lucky in terms of the diversity that we have. You know, all of the products that we have that have been created by our members, they are in different niches, different topics, different formats. Like, the diversity is absolutely huge. And what's incredible about that is that people are creating them as an expert, or somebody who has lived experience, or somebody with an interest in that topic. Why would you want to have help and support in doing it? Well, one, first of all, obviously, we know the process because we have done it multiple times. So it really is a shortcut to your success. But it's also a shortcut because we're giving you that accountability. We are giving you a closed container where we have certain milestones and checkpoints throughout the time to make sure that you are staying on track to actually get the work done. This is what we're here for. It is not a learning experience or a coaching experience in the traditional sense. It is really about action and accountability. Having support, you know, Laura and I have worked on many, many products together over the years, and one thing we always come back to, no matter how many we do, is the absolute value in having somebody else to give you feedback or see your blind spots or help you develop ideas. Having somebody there to kind of see what you can't see is what really takes a product from being excellent to exceptional, because you are often very, very close and you are one opinion. So having that support is something that we know has worked really, really well for us, and we translate it into these sprints. So, you know, on a week-by-week basis, not only are you getting kind of group calls, so there's a community aspect where you can come and share your ideas and share your progress. We also make sure that everybody has one-to-one support as well. So you are getting direct feedback on your product, your method, the translation from your method into a paper-based product, all of the things that we would do if we were creating a product for ourselves or on our own. We want to give you that same level of support so you can have absolute confidence as you move through the stages. We know from experience that often people don't take action because they come across points of resistance. And those points of resistance are usually doubt or fear or lack of clarity. So during the Done With You product build, that's what we're there for. We're there to give you that support through each of those steps so that you really are coming out of it with something that's incredibly tangible and ready to move forward to the next step.
Yes, absolutely. And after the 6 weeks, the goal for you is to have your print files ready, because if you're joining us for the Done With You build, we also give you a bonus of free 1 year inside our collective. And in our collective, what we basically do is we help you manufacture your products. So all the products that you see here, they were manufactured through us with the collective. And because we've manufactured over 500,000 units, we get really good pricing. So even if you start smaller, you get pricing that you would have not been able to get anywhere else, with the quality, with the finishes, with also our support in helping you not only get a sample created, but also choosing the materials. And you get that as well if you join us for the sprint on Monday. I will put a link down below in the box so that you find all the information, and I look forward to creating products with you and maybe see you on one of these shelves next year. Bye.